This guy went viral for taking the most amazing camera shots in the world, and you won't believe how the last one turns out. His friend swings a parachute in air, creating an effect of person jumping from a plane. He places two bottles, creating an illusion of man running with bottled legs. But wait until you see the most jaw-dropping one yet. He makes a model holding a color smoke in her hand to create a wonderful illusion of the model wearing smoke costume, and you won't believe how the shot turned out. Isn't this amazing?